Let us do a solved example to understand the application of Wheatstone bridges. So let us say that this circuit is given to us. Between the terminals A and B, these are all resistors connected, and each resistor has the value of R. So these are all same kind of resistors, and we have to find the equivalent resistance of this circuit. Now the first step is to reduce. The first step will be to reduce the circuit. Now if we look at the top part of the circuit from here to this part, if we look at this part, then this looks like a Wheatstone bridge, in which this will be resistance P, this will be Q, this will be R, this will be S, and this will be W. Now since all the resistors are of same value R, that means the ratio of P by Q will be same as the ratio of Q by R. That means this Wheatstone bridge is balanced bridge. So whatever current is going through these branches, there will be no current in this branch as it is in balanced condition. So first we will remove this branch because there is no current going in it, and redraw this circuit. So if we redraw it, it will look like this. With the removal of this branch. So these are all R, and now we can see that after the removing the middle branch, these two resistors are in series. These two resistors are in series, and the three branches, this one, and this branch, all of them are in parallel to each other. So now we can find out the equivalent resistance. So the equivalent resistance of this branch is, it will be equal to 2R because they are in series. In the middle branch also, it will be equal to 2R, and the lowermost branch is given as R. Now these three are in parallel to each other, so their equivalent resistance, we can use this formula. So it will be given as this, and this will be equal to upon 2R. So it will be 4 by 2R or 2 by R. So equivalent resistance will be equal to R by 2, and this will be the answer to this question.